Deborah, you're like mind blown.
Oh my God. I just saw that PDF 2 or 3 days ago in the community
Mhm.
for this event. And I read through it twice and I went, oh my God, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is totally mind blown. Oh my God, I get it. Aha.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's so helpful to hear. This information changed my life. I mean, it literally changed my life. Like it was the missing component. It changed everything about my ability to eat healthfully, my ability to keep a healthy weight. Like I'm 54. I mean, I do work out, but like honestly, not that much. Like it's not, I'm not a workout maniac or anything like that. And it changed everything for me. And it really helped me understand how to eat for a healthy weight and not how to deny myself. That was the big transition. And it doesn't have to be about weight. Like you can say, I have problems with blood sugar. You can say, I have problems with my gut. These manufactured foods are causing all kinds of problems. And think of it as a metabolic imbalance. And weight is one of them. Blood sugar problems is one of them. Gut disturbances is another. These are all fruits from the same tree, and that tree is industrial food.